Hello everyone, this is Holden from Classroom Camp, and I just wanted to make a quick vlog about a few things I learned in Instructional Design and Technology Integration, which is a graduate course that is wrapping up this week. For those of you who didn't know, I'm currently pursuing a doctorate of education in curriculum and instruction and studying at the University of Louisiana at Monroe. I started the program in January 2024, and this is my fourth class. One of the main reasons I decided to study curriculum and instruction is because I wanted to design educational materials, and in this course, I actually had the opportunity to do so. The final project for the course was actually a course itself, as I was asked to design a course that covered a topic of my choosing. There's so much I learned in this course that it's impossible to detail everything, but I'm going to review three main points that really resonated with me. The first thing I learned is the importance of systematic design. Emphasis on systematic. I know it's easy as teachers to want to try out a bunch of different things, and sometimes I find myself just throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks. Now, there's nothing wrong with trying out new things, but if you want to accomplish a specific goal, it's important to outline a systematic process for getting there. A breakthrough moment for me during this course was when I had to create a learning map. Creating a learning map forced me to create a course goal and break down every single skill students needed to master in order to achieve that goal. Specifically, the goal for my course was that by the end of the course, 85% of students will demonstrate how to write an argumentative paragraph that includes a claim, text evidence, and reasoning. From there, I used the backward design model to identify the specific objectives students needed to complete in order to achieve that goal. Working through this process helped me develop a better understanding of curriculum overall and inspired me to be more systematic. The second concept that really resonated with me was Gagne's 9 events of instruction. Robert Gagne essentially says that there are 9 specific events which should take place during instruction in order to fully engage students in the learning process. Now, I've always understood that lessons should involve certain elements, but I've never had it so explicitly broken down for me. I mean, I can go to the wonderfully scripted Louisiana ELA guidebooks and point to these specific events in the lesson designs. Now that I understand this idea, I feel more competent about my own lesson designs, and I think I can check all the boxes. And finally, I have a better understanding of what it means to be an instructional designer. I learned that instructional designers aren't necessarily content experts or veterans of the fields they design for. Sometimes, instructional designers are hired to come into companies to troubleshoot issues, identify needs, and create instruction to help meet company goals. In education, instructional designers often collaborate with content experts, but aren't necessarily experts themselves. Obviously, it helps to have knowledge about the topic or field you're creating instruction for, but you don't have to know everything. You just have to have access to someone who does. Overall, I had a lot of fun with this course and cannot wait to put everything into practice. And the next class I'll be taking is Quantitative Methods. Anyways, that's all I have for you in this video. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments you have about continuing your studies as an educator, and hopefully I can be an inspiration and maybe help you out along the way. Please like this video if you enjoy this content and want to see more. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel to support Classroom Camp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next semester.